Alright guys, so I guess I just found Camaro. Huh, this is weird. Let's see if it's stolen or what. This is weird. Somebody was doing something funny here. A lot of stuff is missing. What? This is a nice car. They got some GoPro going on. Oh, look at that. It's crazy or what? Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's such a nice car. This is weird. This thing is so nice. 90,000 miles. Black. What year is this car? 2015. Wow. Okay, this is sad. This is really sad. It's battery, everything. Or I guess I need to call sheriff. That's my plate, still registered. Alright, I'll call sheriff. This is sad. Alright, so this is already the next day after I found this car. I called the sheriff, they actually called me back and I met them here. And yeah, this car, this poor beautiful Camaro, was stolen 3 days ago somewhere in Riverside. And I think some teenagers or whoever drove it down to this ditch right here and ended on those rocks. And that's pretty sad. These are beautiful cars. So here we go, we found out the reason how this car ended up here. You see the rock? There was a rock sitting on the pedal on the accelerator. So somebody just put it in the drive, put the rag on it and then let it jump down to this thing. Man, that's so sad. I have no words. That's just so sad. It's a beautiful car, look at it. This is 2015 Camaro. It's a nice black color, some custom wheels. They just make me so sad. Here the towing guy is working hard. Hey, sheriff's still on side. There's my truck right there. Alright guys, so hopefully the owner will have it insured and will be able to replace it, get another one, because really it's a beautiful car. But this one is probably totaled. It's leaking all kinds of fluid. It was sitting right on the big rock right at.
Rearranged the bed, of course door locked.
Yeah, everything is locked. Alright guys, so I guess that's about it for today. A little bit sad, you know, to see such a beautiful car ended up like that. But yeah, it sometimes happens. You know, here where I live, sometimes you can see a stolen car just dumped in the ditch somewhere, just like I did yesterday. Alright guys, well that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.